Hi friends, Namaskar. This is Madhumita Bhattacharjee and all you are welcome to my Astro Zodiac channel. Friends, watching the present situation, I shall be talking today about our disease when it is appears. Friends, we can go through by our astrology, by our astrological prediction. Nowadays all we are suffering by our various type of diseases. So I thought, why should not we go for a discussion about these diseases through astrology? Friends, astrology is a wonderful science. When practiced it properly, it gives good health, reduces medical bills, increases our longevity and minimize mortality. So health is wealth, all we know. Money can make many things when one desires or acts, but destiny offers everything whether one wants it or not. All we know, everything can be predicted, everything can be calculated by our astrological calculation. Neither how could we speak to anybody that he or she is going for a disease, when he or she is going for a disease, on which part of the body is suffering or is going for suffering for a disease, what kind of disease. Yes, and good astrologer can predict everything, because astrology is a very wonderful science. Astrologer opens that a physician can safely administer medicines if he is acquainted with astrology. Friends, sometimes we have had to suffer to be a loser, for wastage of money, wastage of time, for going to start a treatment by many tests, by many tests, by many examinations. Now I am coming to the topic, when and how these diseases are arised in our body, when it will start to give the suffering position in our body by this examination system. Sometimes time is not giving us time to stable. For this connection, astrologer's opinion, if a physician acquainted with astrology, if he knows astrology, he can easily locate the part of body affected, and in this connection we can go quickly to start our treatment. In many countries of world like USA, like Europe, many of physicians have to learn the astrology. It is called medical astrology. So at first we have to know, we have to learn where is our disease place. Friends, we know the 6th house is our disease place. 8th house tells us these diseases will be cured or not. And the 12th house, from 12th house we may know how will be it longer with us. Destiny may bless anyone with money. At the same time, the native may have to suffer by any of the incurable, chronic, various type of disease by his or her destiny. The greatest problem is that which is to be faced by human begins is the maintenance of good health. To have immunity, to have resistance against infection diseases. Now I am coming to the topics that which planet is the cause for which diseases. For sun, when sun is afflicted, will be the cause of the problem with heart, of the problem of eyesight. Moon is the cause of flowing, as moon is watery sign, so moon is the cause of water related disease, which diseases are increasing by water. Mars is a cause of blood related disease. Mars is a cause of hemorrhage. Mars is the cause of blood pressure or blood connected disease. Mars is for planet of accidental cases. Saturn is the cause of blockages. Saturn, like stone, when a stone formation is increasing in our body part, then Saturn will be the cause for it. Saturn is the cause of bone related problem, hair related problem, ENT related problem. Jupiter is the cause of kidney. Friends, it is a very long discussion that which planet is the cause for which diseases. I am telling you in very shortly. Jupiter is the cause for kidney. Jupiter is a cause for bone marrow. Jupiter is a cause of blood sugar. Jupiter and Mars. If Jupiter and Mars conjoined, and if it is situated in bad places, then it will be a cause for diabetic problem. It will be a cause for liver related problem, which can be operated. Mars is the cause of operation. So Jupiter is a cause for liver, stomach problem. Ketu is a cause for infection related disease. Ketu is a cause for cancer to migraine, which diseases is non-finding, which diseases root cannot be found very easily. Ketu is the cause for that. Ketu is a cause for non-finding diseases, migraine, cancer, AIDS. When Ketu and Venus conjoin together in bad places, it can be causes for AIDS, it can be causes for hormone related problem, it can be causes for which type of disease, urine related problem, gynecological problem. Mercury is a cause for diseases of vein. Ketu is a cause for neuro problem. Mercury is also for the cause for neuro problem. Mercury is Ketu, Mercury and Moon is the cause for psychological problems, especially Ketu and Moon. When Ketu and Moon is conjoined with in any bad place, then it may be cause for psychological problem. Venus is a cause for urinary gynecological problem, hormone related problem. I am telling you in very shortly. It is a very vast subject and it is a very long discussion which cannot be possible during this short time. So I am trying to discuss many things in this short time. If you want to know in details, you will have to come to me. I am available on Barashat, Shodhpur, Bangalore, Bowbajar, in these places, and if it is not possible to come to me physically, you can connect me through online. So time has been come to tell you goodbye. I will come in next day with a new topic. Please keep watching my videos. Bye. Namaskar.